we want to be the face of Coke, the campaign, the global campaign, is because I love to dance.
We love to dance.
We love it so much.
Think about it every second.
We do it like all day, every day, just dancing for no reason. And
yeah,
that's just, you know.
Yeah.
A little bit about myself. My name's Jefferson Fenelon. I was born in Avon Park, Florida. I am now 17 years old, and I'm an aspiring dancer to become one of the greatest.
I'm Luis Suarez. I was born in Bronx, New York. I'm now 16 years old. Love to dance. Just ever since I saw it.
What got me into dancing was, I started dancing when I was really young. I got tapes of me dancing to Michael, you know. I did a lot of Michael when I was young, and ever since then, my love for it just grew and grew and grew.
My inspiration to dance was actually Chris Brown. Ever since I seen him dance, it was like I just kept trying to imitate him until I created my own style. And then I came down here, and then everything became bigger from here.
When we seen the toe tap, it was
we gotta do it. We could be the face of Coke Zero.
We can be the face of Coke, right? Like Jeff Fernando. You good? We look like we can have Coke.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and toe tap for these people.
Yep.
Let's get it. Toe tap.
Toe.
1987.
We finna take it back, just for a moment.
Speakers in the boombox, banging on the block. 4-finger ring and a diamond on my watch. Cruising out the Ave and I'm letting down the top. Rolling in the scene and I'm feeling like so clean and my ride is so sleek. Looking so dope, new nights on my feet. Boom in the system, tearing up the street. Rolling in the scene and I'm feeling like
Check my freshness,
feeling like I can't get any colder. And maybe that's because the ice is hanging off my shoulder. Chain way a boulder like a fly for promoters. I'm the game within the system and the mic is my controller. And my shorty got a big go. Party with the poppers and the 5411s and the cherished gold knockers. Clip within my pocket got me wildin' on the real. On top of that I got a license to ill. Chill. Feel like I'm rhyming, stealing time up on the avenue. Blindness on my sneakers keep determining my attitude. Clean them up, lace them up, money in the box, now I'm dope. Better get than the B-boys got. Hold up, bright red bucket looking sharp as my fade. And my future so bright that I gotta wear shades. Now I'm up on stage, telling the DJ, come and give me that bass. Speakers in the boombox, banging down the block. 4-finger ring and a diamond on my watch.